having our Castle to Clouds Dragon Experience breakfast party today. And we're welcoming the kids to come in, and they're going to get some of their costumes, their swords and scepters, their wands, their jewelry, and then they're going to come into the Dragon Experience, which is this immersive experience of a dragon flying overhead. And as soon as they come out of there, they're going to be greeted by our prince and princess, who are going to teach them how to curtsy and bow before the king, in which they will be knighted. And then from that, they will move forward into seeing the main event, which is our dragon mural. We're so excited about, which is the reason that we're here to thank all of our donors who made that possible.
Welcome, traveler. We are so glad that you are here at our kingdom. Thank you so much for coming. Down on yonder is our famous dragon mural, a new testament to our friendliest dragon around. And we would love for you to see it. It's basically tradition now.
And then they'll have an opportunity to mount the dragon or stand on the tower and get their picture taken. Then they're going to come back out here and enjoy the feast with their family. So we're so excited, and we're so appreciative to all the donors that made this possible.
And it is a pleasure on behalf of the Abilene Cultural Affairs Council to welcome you to the Walk This Way from Castles to Clouds. I do believe that deserves a round of applause. Thank you. I hope that you all enjoyed a royal event.
It's important to have an event like this to, I think, reestablish and celebrate the idea of Abilene being the storybook capital of America, and just to have a whimsical experience and to celebrate and have fun, and also to thank our donors and all the people here that make it possible. So we worked with a lot of the universities here, especially the theater departments. Richard Transky especially was instrumental in bringing this all together. It was his idea to do the Dragon Experience and to put all that together. And all of the costumes come from their departments. And our board and our staff has been instrumental in putting all this together. They have absolute credit for making this happen. My son is here. He's a page today, so he's going to help hand out the crowns. And we have a couple of our local theater students, both in junior high and the university level, that are all around helping. We're very excited about it all.
Anybody out there happen to have any magic dragon potion? Oh, this lady right here has some. Very good. It always helps me when I read a little bit to have a little magic dragon potion before I start. Ah, that hit the spot. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. Oh, something's happening. Something's happening. What happened to my voice? Okay. He swallowed the squire to calm the steed that galloped around at a terrible speed. He swallowed the steed right after the knight. I don't know why he swallowed the knight.
A wonderful thank you for the beautiful sculpture, which would not be possible without our extremely generous donors. The Moss, Adamson, Spalding charities have been instrumental in so many of the enhancements of the cultural district, including the event we're here to see, the In Cloud Light 4. With us on this evening, I'm honored to have here Dick and Kay Spalding. Please join me in thanking them.